So Dr. Glenn, I hear a lot from community that vaccines change your DNA. So have you heard that, and what do you say?
I've heard it, it's a common thing, it's a big myth. The answer is no, the vaccinations can't change your DNA or your genetic material at all. There's no fetal tissue in the vaccination, there's no human tissue, no animal tissue, and there's no microchips either. And the vaccination actually works in our cells to actually help produce antibodies. It doesn't get into our DNA at all.
What I say to community about how that works is that just remember the messenger part. You know, it works as a messenger and instructs our body to create a bit of a protein that actually looks like the protein that would normally be on the infection. And so then your body can recognize that protein without actually having to have the infection itself. And so once you've got that sort of protein in your body then, creates these antibodies that then destroy that. So that leftover is your antibody response or your immune response. So that's kind of the way that I explain it. Yeah. Is that how you would do it?
I do exactly the same stuff, but I like a visual as well. So I talk about an egg, and if you're having a cook-up or a barbie, and so you're frying up an egg on the barbecue, and you think of the
fried
cell.
Egg or?
Fried egg.
Fried egg, all right.
Fried egg, and you're looking at the egg, and you've got all the egg white, and that's part of the cell, and you've got the egg yolk, the yellow. That's where our DNA and our genetic material is, and that's in the centre, and that's all really well protected by the egg white. And so the vaccination goes into the egg white, and that's where the protein is made, that's where the antibodies are made, and nothing gets into the DNA. So the vaccine in the egg white or in the cell gets broken down by the normal cell processes, and the only thing that hangs around after that is our antibodies that the vaccine has taught our body to make to protect us against the COVID-19 virus. Trevor, have you had any questions about changing DNA with the vaccination?
Yes, it's quite a common question, in fact. So the vaccine that we have right now is not going to change your DNA. No matter what vaccine we have in Australia, it's not going to change our DNA. We've been on this island for 60,000 years with this DNA. No vaccine is going to change us.
True.
That's us.